Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears with paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need colored paper, scissors, and glue. A template or stencil is super helpful for getting those perfect gummy bear shapes. Don't forget markers or fine-tip pens for adding cute little faces or other details. Having everything ready makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this fun project. Now that you have your materials, it's time to start crafting. Carefully cut out your gummy bear shapes using the template you prepared. Precision here makes a big difference in the final look. Next, you'll want to fold the paper precisely to give your gummy bears a nice three-dimensional effect. Once folded, secure those edges with a small amount of craft glue. Hold them gently until the glue sets to ensure they stay together perfectly. With your basic shapes formed, it's time for the fun part. Personalization. Use your markers or fine-tip pens to draw small eyes, noses, and mouths on each gummy bear. This really brings them to life. If you want to get extra creative, attach any additional paper elements like tiny bows or other accessories. Just remember to allow all glued parts to dry completely before you start handling them too much. Patience ensures a durable and adorable finished product. You've successfully created your adorable paper gummy bears. Now, it's time to show them off. Arrange your finished creations in a decorative display, perhaps on a shelf or desk. You could even string them together to make a unique garland for a party or your room. They add a sweet, playful touch wherever they go. Also, if you're looking for a fresh scent for your car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.